Hey Riley, this is Brittany. I promise to provide you with a short educational video. You're probably asking why I'm sending this. So I realize small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information and do it themselves. Some people will contact me. Either way is fine. So just educate you and help you out with an attack plan. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First, I'm going to go over the content on your page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you have, including these photo swatches here. There's around 400 or 450 words on your home page. The reason I'm looking at content is because Google loves content. Content is king, essentially, and it gives you authority as well. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So real quick, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So really good keywords are those that are buyer intent keywords. And I went ahead and I typed one into the Google search result. So I'm a consumer and I'm looking for flooring installation, Columbus, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific. I'm looking for flooring installation and also location specific in Columbus, Georgia. What pops up first is something called the Google Map Pack here. Now 30% of consumers will choose one of those businesses there to do their business. I see you guys are number 2 on the Map Pack for this keyword. That's awesome. You guys have lots of reviews. That's super great. Probably getting a lot of great business from here. Below that is the organic search results here, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses for their business. And on the bottom, and usually also at the top, are Google Ads, where 5 to 10% of people will choose one of those businesses for their service. I was looking for a local company, and sometimes these directories show up like Yelp and Angie, and that's normal. But I see that you guys actually showed up first on the organic search result for this keyword, flooring installation, Columbus, Georgia. That's awesome. But the number 2 organic spot is West Georgia Flooring, and I wanted to show you some things that they're doing as well. But I went ahead and brought up their website here. This is their home page. They don't have that many words of content either. You guys do have more, so you're definitely beating them out with that, which is good. I see they only have around 50 or so words at the most on their homepage here, so not a whole lot. But I went ahead and I brought up their website on my page program here called Ahrefs. I like to use this to put in websites to evaluate them. So we just went over content briefly. Now we're going to move on into backlinks. So here are 2 ratings. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. A DR rating is a power rating, and the UR rating is a trust rating, and both of these are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So essentially it's like a popularity contest. So looking at West Georgia Flooring, they have 16 referring domains pointing to 31 backlinks. And you, Rusty's Floor Covering, you guys have 15 referring domains pointing to 26 backlinks. So you guys are almost neck and neck on both of those. When I was researching a little bit further, West Georgia Flooring does have better quality backlinks. You guys have around 75% good quality backlinks, and the reason I'm mentioning this is that not all links are created equal. The best links to have are those that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer and that are from local websites. Those will work the best. Could also be the reason why they also have a little bit higher ratings than you guys do for power and trust with Google as well. Alright, so I don't just recommend getting to 31 backlinks. I also recommend getting those really good quality backlinks, not just beating your competition, but beating them out maybe to 50 or even 100 or so backlinks. So we just went over backlinks briefly. Next, I want to go over citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you here at the top of our search results. And this is really great for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise. There's hundreds of others out there actually. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So you guys are already ranking for that second spot there, which is super awesome. You guys are doing some really good things. Keep building your citations around Google. Get on as many directories as you can. That'll also help strengthen your web presence and also your website as well. So looking back at West Georgia Flooring, I wanted to show you some of the keywords that they're using to capture some traffic. So they're using West Georgia Flooring, which has a 90 search volume. That just means 90 people are looking for that term per month. Below that, we have Flooring Columbus, Georgia. 300 people are looking for that term per month or that service per month. We have Flooring Installation Columbus, Georgia. 60 people are looking for that per month. So there's a really good, decent search volume for these keywords. And these are really good buyer intent keywords. Looking at your keywords, you guys also have some really good ones as well. So that's awesome. You guys are definitely doing good with that. But you do want to have these throughout your content with more words, so that you guys can start capturing more of this volume that you're missing out on. Last but not least, I also went into Google out of curiosity. I looked up tile contractors in Columbus, Georgia. I know that you guys also do tile. The first person that showed up is Keith Ray Tile, and they don't have a whole lot of content on their webpage either, but you can also rank for the other services that you have. Here's also his comparative analysis. What I mean by that, for example, looking at the words he's ranking at, you can also rank for these words too to capture more traffic for all the services you offer. This is just one example with tile installation. So tile installation, Columbus, Georgia, that is 50 searches per month. Kitchen remodeling, 90 per month. Home remodeling, 90 per month. So those might you also want to be ranking for too, since you do offer more than just floor covering services. So yeah, that about covers it for today. Just as a recap, we went over briefly content, backlinks, and citations. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content and how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day, Riley.